A senior in Chestermere is dealing with a 70% jump in his home insurance premiums. He says his last claim was over a decade ago, and the best advice he received was to shop around. Insurance experts say rates are rising across the board because last year was the costliest for damage caused by extreme weather. Here's Stephanie Thomas.
Alvin Phillips called his stepdaughter over after opening mail from TD Insurance. They were both stunned. The quote to renew coverage for the home was $9,000.
It was a little bit of a shock that it would go up that much.
Wow, yeah, $9,000. What happened?
That's a 70% increase from last year's annual rate at $5,300. Customer service told them there was no mistake.
I haven't been a burden on them. I've had one claim for roof damage, and that was it.
In 20 years of coverage, his most recent claim was back in 2013. But claims across the province and the country are likely behind this rate hike. The Insurance Bureau of Canada says last summer alone, companies paid out a record $8.5 billion for insurable damage due to climate disasters. Alberta makes up half of that, with the Jasper wildfire and last August's hailstorm that hammered the Northeast.
All of that is putting pressure on insurance premiums as we see the cost of these events continue to go up and up and up.
He adds the claims of the few affect the premiums of the many. Climate experts say extreme events are becoming common.
Climate change, global heating is supercharging our weather systems. More heat, more water mean more fuel for storms.
Some brokers advise shopping around.
At the end of the day, this is about coverage and making sure that when the sudden and unexpected happens, you have a package that's going to respond and make sure that you're not in financial dire straits.
That was the advice given to Alvin Phillips.
Yeah, if you don't like it, go somewhere else. That's basically what they're saying.
This much and this much effect all at one time for one household is a lot.
And Stephanie joins us now from a hail-affected region in the Northeast. So, Stephanie, what can residents do?
Tara, there's no simple or short-term solution. Experts I spoke with tell us that a broker can scan multiple companies and find the best rate, but that the best tool to lower the bill is to make home improvements that will help stand up to damage. So whether that's replacing your roof or replacing your siding with more resilient materials, replacing water or sewer lines, or maybe installing more home security systems to protect against theft, that may be all taken into account by an insurance provider, and then your rate may be adjusted from there. But Tara, either way, it looks like that it's up to the customer to pay.
Difficult. Okay, Stephanie, thank you.